फुटबॉल की सबसे बड़ी पार्टी 2014 FIFA World Cup live and exclusive on 6. Live the magic.
Hello and welcome to IndianTelevision.com's News of the Week. Let's take a look at the top stories of the week. The news industry was shaken with the news of Network 18 founder Raghav Bal's decision to quit his own company. The move has come after Reliance Industries announced the acquisition of Network 18. Bal announced his resignation through an emotional letter to his employees, assuring them that he is leaving it in the good hands of Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Group. A spurt of changes took place in Network 18 as a precursor to a big announcement made later in the week. While former Times Now, ET Now and Zoom CEO Avinash Kaul was announced as the new CEO of IBN 18 Network, erstwhile Network 18 Group CEO B. Sai Kumar, Network 18 COO Ajay Chacko, Network 18 CFO RTS Bini Bawa and others announced their departure from the company. Late last week, Reliance Industries announced that it has got board approval to pump 4,000 crore rupees into Independent Media Trust or IMT, of which Reliance Industries is the sole beneficiary, in order to acquire Network 18 Media and investments including TV18. This will give IMT 78% in Network 18 and 9% in TV18. Investment banker GM Financial Institutional Securities will manage the open offers to acquire the public shareholding of Network 18 Media and Investments, TV18 Broadcast and Infomedia Press. Senior BJP leader Prakash Javadekar has been sworn in as the new INB minister. He says that his first priority as the Minister of State Information and Broadcasting would be to ensure the freedom of media. He has also been given independent charge of environment and parliamentary affairs. On 30th May, Star India CEO Uday Shankar shared his thoughts at the recently concluded session in front of the Pali Media Council in New York, when he spoke about the issues like the evolution of Star India, Star Plus programming and content strategies as to why the channel is focused on women-centric issues, and last but not the least, the most talked about social show Satyamev Jayate and its impact on the government post its launch. Let's take a look at the other stories that made headlines. Discovery Networks Asia Pacific has announced the launch of 3 new channels in India at the recently concluded Goa Fest, namely ID Investigation Discovery, a Hindi entertainment channel, and 2 differentiated gold standard channels, TLC HD World and Animal Planet HD World. After close to a decade with TAM Media, Senior Vice President S Group and Marketing Pradeep Hejmadi is moving on to a business head role at ZTV from this month. Prior to TAM, Hejmadi had stints with MTV Networks as Nickelodeon India Director Business and Operations, Turner Broadcasting Director Research and Discovery Communications Director Research and Planning. As the FIFA World Cup draws near, Sony 6 will tap into the Indian prime time by broadcasting 24 of the 64 matches live at 9:30 p.m. The telecast will begin with a studio-produced show featuring anchors and guests at 8 p.m. followed by the match. Bong fans are in for a treat as Sony 6 regional channel Arth will have live commentary in Bengali. Sony 6 has already launched an Indian promo featuring Bollywood actor John Abraham for their Live the Magic campaign. Directions have been issued by TRAI to the MSOs covered under the first phase of DAS to ensure delivery of bill to each subscriber by hand or post or email as may be opted by the subscriber, and to be provided within 45 days. It has also asked MSOs to provide online payment option in its SMS for payment of bill by the subscriber. The 9th edition of Goa Fest has come as a good surprise for Lodestar UM. The agency won 11 media abbeys and has therefore come out as a clear winner in the crowd. Mindshare with 7 media abbeys came second, while Milestone Brandcom and PhD India won 5 media abbeys each to secure the 3rd position. On the second day, Alok Nanda and Company and JWT were the only agencies that took home a Grand Prix for design and direct categories respectively. That's all for now. For more updates and insights about the media industry, log on to www.indiantelevision.com. Till then, have a great week ahead. Goodbye.